You already know we're going to get right into it. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. If you're a newbie, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple, delicious turkey salad, like a salad. So in 2 tablespoons of butter, I'm going to add my ground turkey. You can use ground beef, ground chicken, but if you do get ground beef and you're trying to diet or whatever, get the super lean stuff. Don't get the extra fatty stuff, little changes here and there definitely helps. So get the best that you can get. Food is very expensive right now, but you already know. So now I'm going to use Spicy Girl. If you don't have this in your house, I don't know what you're doing. It's low in sodium, super delicious, and natural ingredients. I'm going to add a liberal amount to that. I'm also going to add some smoked paprika down in here. I kind of sort of want that taco seasoning flavor without adding taco seasoning, because taco seasoning have a lot of sodium. I also added some ancho chili powder, and I'm going to mix it up and pretty much just cook it all the way down. And this smells so good. That smoked paprika and the chili powder work so good together. Once it's done, I finish it off with some lime juice. If you don't have limes in your house, just use lemons. Don't make it a big deal. It's nothing. Like I said, this is just a quick salad I made yesterday night for dinner, and it was just so good, and I wanted to share it with y'all. Now, the lettuce I'll be using is butter lettuce and rocket lettuce, which is arugula. I call it rocket lettuce. But you can use whatever greens you prefer. Spinach is great here as well, and, whatever you want. I'm adding some English cucumbers, some golden cherry tomatoes, some jalapenos, and I'm going to use ranch because that's my favorite. So I'm adding like a couple tablespoons of ranch, and then I'm going in here with some hot sauce. Hot sauce is my favorite. I don't want to add salt or anything like that to the salad, so I use hot sauce. I guess it all equals the same, but at least the hot sauce will bring me some flavor. You know what I mean? I know you guys get it, but the hot sauce will definitely bring more flavor than adding salt and pepper to the salad. I topped it with the ground turkey, sprinkled on a little cheese, that little breadstick thing. It was so hard too. Y'all, I almost took my tooth out eating. And I thought it was going to be good because I saw it in the Sprout supermarket, and I was like, oh, okay, let me try it out. And then I drizzled on the other half of the lime over it just for extra flavor, and that's it. It was really good. Do I know how many calories this is? No. Do I care? No. I'm already in a calorie deficit because I intermittent fast. So I'm good to go. And this is the breadsticks right here and the calories on the back if you care. But it was delicious and filling. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.